Okay, here we are. Life with Larry. I just talked about stress-free gardening. As I'm putting my tools away, I find a baby of this is a Prince of Orange Philodendrum. These plants I bought a couple years ago. I found one on the markdown table at one of the big box stores. And I brought it home and stuck it in the yard, and it made a beautiful color. So we bought one again last year and split it into two pieces. I have one here and I have one over there. It's among the peace lilies. This is a good location because it likes shade. So I try to keep my tags with my plants. I kind of stick them in the leaves underneath the plant as I put it in because I forget the names of them. So this one has a baby, and I'm going to get it out. And it's already got roots. So this is going to be easy to move over. And now I need a little spot for it. I've got a pot over here that's in the shade, and I think I'm going to put this in front of the pot that I pulled out of the trash. It's in the back of the yard, so you don't see the imperfections, but I've got a little spot right in front of it that'll make a nice little pop of color. Now I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take this out. This is, in our area, this is what I call stinkweed, and it is very invasive, and it grows everywhere.
And it stinks.
And it smells like a skunk. So I'll get that out, throw that away. Here's another piece of it. And I'm going to put this.
You want some root stuff?
No, I don't need it on this because we've already got roots that are growing and established. I'm just going to put this here. It's got the proper shade. Tuck all the roots in. Put it around. Put some leaves around it. It's right in front of this pot, so it'll have a nice backdrop to pop that color out. And that's it. Stress-free. Enjoy your garden. Surround yourself with the things you love. If you like this video, like and share, please.
And come back in a few weeks and see how our progress is with these newly transplanted flowers and plants.
That's right. Thank you, Lenny.
Bye.
Bye.